So eTail is the place to be. It is one of the first events of the retail season where everyone's just kind of coming together to figure out what are the priorities for the year, what's the new tech, how do I get more efficient with my team? And I think the trend, everybody is talking about agentic AI right now and shopper agents, and obviously we are one of them. I think the biggest thing that retailers will need to think about is how do I test into agentic AI quickly to understand what is the right impact for my business.
So it's really been a great show so far. I think the biggest trend that we're seeing is people want insights, but they want to know what do they do with the insights after? Where's the recommendation? How do they take action with those insights?
We're actually just launching some new products and solutions. We're launching new hubs. So e-com hub, marketing hub, product hub, and CI hub. And basically what we're doing is providing not only insights, but recommendations based on what your KPIs and your persona is.
I think I've attended eTail probably been like 10 or 15 years. So it's been a long time in this business. AI is like a huge buzzword and something that's really big. And we use AI to help brands, automate their whole digital process. But I think just the personalization and the human feel and the personal relationships is really all what eTail is about.
Consolidation of tools has been really a trend that we've been noticing lately. Instead of using multiple tools to do multiple different things, can we find one tool that's going to maximize for a few different avenues? So as far as Noibu is concerned, we're able to bring both business metrics and technical insights together to allow these teams to collaborate and be like the all-in-one place for companies to be able to fix customer impacting issues.
Everyone is doing AI, as are we. And it's interesting to see every company's different take on AI, how they're kind of trying to apply it. We ourselves are using it for both ideation and also for like distributing traffic on your website. But I've seen other companies try it out for like content generation, which we also do a little bit of. Yeah, it's very interesting to see how everyone's trying to incorporate AI into their product portfolio.
eTail has been amazing. It's my second time, but my first time I came by myself just to see and get the environment. I actually was able to close a deal last year, and that's why I decided to come for the next year and have a booth, run a demo on stage, and it's been phenomenal for us.
Observed a lot of brands walk by our booth. We have an amazing booth here. A lot around loyalty, what it means to brands, how to actually acquire customers, retain them, build an emotional connection with them over time. A lot of talks around AI and personalization, which we absolutely believe.
Some retail trends we've been seeing and at eTail is really that rise of personalization at scale and how consumers are really expecting personalized content now. It's more of a need to have rather than a nice to have. So we've really been seeing how we use content to optimize that process as well. Now we want to really generate content efficiently and effectively at scale.
So Adobe just launched a brand new product this past October at Adobe Max, and it's Gen Studio for Performance Marketing. It's a generative AI first workflow application that brings together creative and marketing teams to create high performing on brand content. So rather than marketing teams needing to rely on creative teams for creating content for meta advertisements or email or display ads, it puts that power back in the hands of the marketers so that they're able to self-serve some of this content on their own and get more content out the door faster.
The one big thing that I feel like comes up a lot is AI. It's such a big buzzword right now, but it's like, how can you use AI not to necessarily replace people or replace processes, but make them easier and give people more power and control, and even save them time in certain situations. So on that same topic, what Algolia is working on is AI, but for on-site search and product discovery. So when you go to the search bar on an e-commerce site, making sure that the products that are returned are relevant to what you searched. If you had a typo, if you don't really know what you're looking for, how can we use AI to make sure that users are finding what they need and what they're looking for as quickly as possible?